Amethyst and Apollo, first time at the dog park, they literally do not even know what to do. They don't know what to do. Look at Amethyst. She's just standing there, like, what is this? Apollo, of course, is exploring. But I tried to run with them and they don't want to run. I guess they have to, like, just sniff around and see what they like, see how they like. My gosh. look at look at Amethyst. Hey mama. You don't like it here? You don't like it here? She like, I'm not for it. Like, what is this?